Hi there, this is Ashik once again before you. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to upload Vidline video on Tutor LMS or any LMS plugin. So let's see. It's actually another way. Okay. So first of all, you need to come in your video. So this is my video, and here is actually three dot. We need to just click on here, three dot. Here we can see the embed code. Can you see this one? Embed code. Let's click on here, embed code. I have already clicked on here, and here is actually show basic information. I don't want to show any basic information in here. Let's disable this one. Here is actually video size. So for my what should I say, this is actually perfect for the time being. If you want to increase the video size, then you can increase, but leave it as it is. Actually, let's click on here, copy code. I have already clicked on here. Now you need to just go to your website, and here this is your lesson, right? We are using Tutor LMS. So let's click on here, lesson, and scroll down. Here we need to find embedded. Let's click on here, and we need to just paste the embed code in here. Let's paste it here. Now I'm just going to update the lesson. Now if I just refresh this lesson, let's refresh it, and this is the lesson number 1. Can you see it's actually working? Can you see this? It's working. So you can do it by something like this way. Okay, I think you understand this one, and it will work. Okay, it will work. So that's it for now. Thank you so much.